Hi, so this is day 11 of round 3 of chemo, and I feel great today. I didn't have to do my injection this morning because I've already done my 10 days. That's amazing, not having to wake up and do that. And I didn't take an anti-sickness this morning either, although I have to say after I'd eaten some breakfast I did feel a bit nauseous, so I did take one because I'm very aware that actually what the nurses say is no point in actually getting to the point where you feel really sick and then trying to get on top of it. So, you know, take the tablets and only stop taking them when you really feel that you can. So I took one before lunch, and that'll be it for today. I'm not taking another one. I think I'll be absolutely fine. And the thing about when you've been feeling so rotten, which I have done for the last 10 days, it's been quite a slog, I've felt. But then when you come out the other end, it's just, I feel just really, really well. I just want to, do everything and love everybody. So that's brilliant. So I went and had coffee with my friend around the corner this morning, and my sister came over and I cooked us a nice lunch, which was really lovely to be able to do. She does so much for me. I love her. And then I blow dried Poppy's hair, which was just a really lovely thing to do again. So I do try and keep my good weekends for just really close family, just doing things for the girls and Dominic, and just being here for them, whatever they need. And I love to do that. I have really recognised that because I only have these sort of 10 days of feeling well, and I don't know how it'll be next time around, but that's how it's been this time around. I've really noticed that I do have like a kind of handful and a group of people that I kind of regularly see within that time. I have to really prioritise about what I want to do and who I want to be spending my time with. So I guess that's quite a good thing to reflect on. As you can see, Dominic's doing me a henna tattoo. That's what he does. He's very good at that sort of thing. This is Dominic. He did one for Lindsay. Got it early and did one for Lindsay, and I was like, yeah, that's right. That's my sister Lindsay. That's what I wanted. So I'll show you and let you know what that looks like in due course. But today I am loving life, enjoying everything. I've even got a glass of wine next to me. It's red because apparently that's got antioxidants in, so it must be good for me. And it'll just be the one that I'll be able to deal with this afternoon for sure. So she's probably quite good. I'm not drinking everything. Let's have a quick look at how that's going. Look at that. It's looking lovely. There's the start. Okay, so have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.